Show your daddy how to throw a cricket ball? You're going to show your daddy how to throw a cricket ball? I just seen you doing it. Go on, baby. Hello. That's it. Overarm. Throw it like this. Yay. You're a good boy, aren't you? Bless you. You're going to be a world famous cricketer? Your daddy will be pleased. You're a good boy, aren't you? That's it. Yeah. Overarm. Are you talking? Wow. And how old are you, Sonny? You're 1 month and 1 day old? Wow. Wow. You're amazing. You're amazing. You're amazing. You're amazing. Yes, you are. You're amazing. You're amazing. And you puked. You're a good boy, aren't you?